Looking to boost your metabolism and support your weight loss journey? Today I am sharing a simple black coffee recipe that's healthy, effective, and easy to make. Ingredients you'll need: 1 tablespoon black coffee helps burn fat and boost metabolism naturally. 1 cup water adds digestion and keep your body hydrating. Boil 1 cup of water in a pot. Add 1 tablespoon of black coffee into the boiling water. Let it boil for 1 or 2 minutes to bring out the flavor. Simmer the gas and reduce the flame. Stir it well to mix properly. Strain into a cup if needed, and your weight loss black coffee is ready. That's it. Your fat burning black coffee is ready. Drink it on an empty stomach for best results. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more healthy recipes.